Thanks for joining me. I wanted to put together a quick video to show you how I put together our videos from the tournaments and then upload them to Hudl. There's a couple steps in the process. The first thing we need to do is go and create the schedule for the team by going into Hudl.com and logging in. You need to be an admin, which I can do for you. I just need to list you as an admin. At any rate, when I go, let's say that we're going to do this for the 16 performance, you can see that they already have a number of videos up. I first go up here to schedule under team, and I need to create the schedule from this past weekend. And you'll see all the old ones are there, and this is all the way up through our previous tournament. So I go to AES and I pull up the team, and I pull what we did this last weekend, and I simply copy the first item, which is Court 3, 17th. It's on the 17th at 1 p.m. That's what's important to remember. So I'm going to say tournament. Now right here is the key. When I write the name, I need to write in what our scores were. So we won 20 and 19. So right here I'm going to paste and get rid of some of this. And right in that parent I'm going to say it was a win 25-20. Do not put a comma here, put a space. 25-19, close parent, I'm going to hit enter. Now it's in there. That's the right season. This was on the 17th. It was at 1 p.m. and it was a neutral site. And then I say create event. Once I've done that, I now go to the bottom and I can see there it is. It says enter score. That means how many sets we won. Well, we won 2 sets to 0. I'll just hit those and hit save changes. It'll know that means we won. And now it's in there somewhere. There it is. Okay. Now I go back over to, I want to do an upload at this point. And you can kind of see that's here. So I'm going to hit. So that's the first step. Before we upload, we need to compress the video. So this is the video. These are all the files in there. And so this is the 1 o'clock match right here. That's the first set, and that's the second set. So the first thing I need to do is I need to compress that video and make it much smaller. You can see, what is that? That's very large files because we used a GoPro. So I'm using a piece of software called, which is, I bought it for 30 bucks. It's magical. And it's a WinX HD Video Converter Deluxe. I would suggest that you download them. I'm happy to, because you're doing this upload service for us, I'm happy to reimburse you for that. Just send me the receipt and I will PayPal that over to you. Anyway, so once you get in here, you click video and it should pull it up. Okay, now we got to go find those videos that I just found. Got it under my game film. Then I go figure out, there it is. Okay, so now I want to change that to details. Okay, so here we are. Here are our 2 files. So I'm going to take those 2 files and I'm going to tell it those are the ones that we want to convert and compress down to smaller sizes. Here it's recommending that we do it this way, and I typically just go with whatever's recommended. Then I say OK. But before, they will want to know where to put that file once we've compressed it. So we say browse. I'm in the same place. I need to add a new file, or a new folder that says compressed. And once I do that, that's where I want it to be. Now we've got the right, so select folder, that's where it's going to put everything when we're done. That will now show and then you simply hit run. And it will go in and start compressing that, and I'll be back after it does that. I'm going to pause the. Okay, and as you can see, we've completed all of the compression. So we'll close this and go have a look. And in the compress folder, we will now see file sizes are now 0.5 meg. I've read that right. I think that's right. And now it's time to upload those. Those are the compressed files. So we go in here, and the way that you upload film to Hudl is you click upload. Once you're at your team, you click upload here. And you'll see that your team, and it tells you, you can go tell them what files to upload. It will then open Windows so that you can go find those files. I'm going to go to our compress folder. And these are our original files right there and there, and as you can tell, they're huge. But right here are our new files, which I always use details as the viewing mode. I highlight both files and I say open. Once I've done that, they will begin here. You'll see them uploading, and you'll see their progress. While that's happening, you come over here and you tell it what you're uploading. So you go now find that event, and there is the event that we created a moment ago. You just simply click that one time, and then down here hit save. Now you're done, other than just simply waiting on it to upload. Once that uploads, you're done. So, I hope that is helpful. Thanks for watching.